Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Realme V60 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and then click install. And now you can click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction and click open permissions. Now select AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can click back and click back again. And now click start, and as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, you can drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.